Sup campers, it's your friend Srogeee, and I'm on a hike again. Today we're going to survive the elements of water, earth, wind, frost and fire. Just like I did in the long dark. Let's see if I can do this IRL. I need a little rest. The last couple of meters was kinda steep and I just can't catch my breath without sitting down for 5 minutes. But this is a good opportunity to talk to you about today's missions. Mission number 1. To look around in the area to find myself a good place to pitch my tent. The second mission is to get as much firewood as possible so I can survive the night in the freezing cold temperatures. And mission number 3, basically to survive the night and see the sunrise tomorrow. As you can see in the horizon, the sun is starting to set. I only got like 2 hours left until it's completely dark and it's starting to become very cold. The biggest challenge for today is how can I cope with the -°C temperature. To show you what I'm talking about, I got myself this little thermometer which says 12.2 Celsius right now, which is 54 Fahrenheit. It might be quite comfortable now in a jacket and a hoodie, but later when the sun finally sets, the freezing temperatures are getting closer. I could say that winter's coming, my dudes. I got my basic, very basic winter gear with me, but I don't know if that will be enough or not. I guess we will have to see. Before I continue my journey, I'm gonna eat a fresh banana to recuperate some of the energy I lost in the previous 1.5 hours when I was hiking. Enjoy, guys. Look at this beautiful view, campers. I don't even remember when I was out on a hike last time. Oh, I do. It was the 20th of August. And I liked every hour of it. I hope this time I will feel the same when I return home. Alright, better get going again. so dark already. I don't know if I will have enough time to gather firewood and to pitch up my tent in daylight. Well, kind of daylight. Or I need to use my headlamp all the time. Okay, here I come. This is the place. I see my good old friends here. The stairs, at least there are some ropes as handrail that I can follow down. Wow, here's a giant rock. And here is the waterfall. Can you see it? At least a little bit in this dark hour. I hope you do, because it's beautiful. But I'll make sure we take a look at it in the morning as well. Well guys, mission accomplished. At least the first one. I found the perfect place to pitch my tent. As you can see, there is a fireplace, there are some benches, and over there are some tables as well. This is going to be perfect for tonight. The temperature is 9.1 Celsius degrees, which is 48.3 Fahrenheit. I don't know if I'll be able to survive the minuses. Join me next time to find out if I survived or not. Hopefully I did. See you guys in the next one.